Hello today. I'm going to show you how to deactivate a front passenger's airbag and, of course, how to activate it on Audi A4 or S4 Avant. If an airbag has been deactivated, it should be reactivated as soon as possible, though that it can continue to give the required protection, of course. If we have no alternative, but we have to install a rearward facing child seat on the front passenger seat, we must deactivate the front passenger's airbag beforehand. It's really important. Of course, it's recommended that child seats should be fitted on the rear seat so that the front passenger's airbag can remain functional and provide protection in an accident. And now we are going to deactivate this. Yeah, okay. We have to see the indicator lamp. They will light up for a few seconds every time the ignition is switched on. If the front passenger's airbag has been deactivated, the indicator lamp passenger's airbag off will light up constantly as a reminder. So, if you install a seat, a rearward facing child seat on the front passenger's seat, we have to deactivate the front passenger's airbag, of course. Where we are going to operate that. First, we look at the glove box. We open the glove box, and on the right side, we can see a switch. And this switch is to deactivate the front passenger seat, for example, to use with your emergency key. We get this into position and switch to position off. Then we release and remove the key. Okay, and now we can, of course, see in the center console on the ceiling off area, we can see passenger's airbag is off. So now it is deactivated. If we have no alternatives, but we have to install a rearward facing seat of the front passenger seat, the front passenger airbag must be deactivated beforehand. Potentially fatal injuries to the child can result if the front passenger's airbag is not deactivated. If we have to deactivate the front passenger's airbag, we reactivate it as soon as the child seat is no longer needed, so that the airbag can continue to give the required protection. It is a driver's responsibility to ensure that the key-operated switch is set to the correct position, of course. So let's now get this back into position using our key. You see, now the passenger's airbag is switched off. We're going back to the lever, get this back in on position, and now the passenger's airbag is still working again. This you can see if you switch on the ignition, and yeah, passenger's airbag is on. Job's done, baby. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Dun dun!